Welcome to our step-by-step guide on using College Board sample questions for practice digital SAT. Okay, so here, first of all, you have to sign in your own account or create an account, then search for the question banks, and you can see a lot of questions for SAT and pre-SAT as well. So for example, here you can choose one of the sections. Let's choose reading and writing, and here you can see all of the chapters. For example, if I choose all of them, we can just find some random questions. So yeah, and also we can choose a difficulty, for example, hard questions, and on each chapter, for example, boundaries, punctuations. So let's just find random question, and yeah, you can answer it as well and find and read answer and explanation. And also you can select some questions and export them like a PDF with answer or no answer. For example, without any answer, I can just export a PDF. Don't forget to practice more, because practice is a key to get a successful score on exam. And good luck on your exam.